Okay guys, so I am outside, so let me show you what I've got. So I was actually surprised with the poppies because I had more than I thought I did. And I don't know what's wrong with the dog. He's mad at me right now. But these, I decided to go with the Sissinghurst white in the white bed. So I ended up with 4 cups. Did I do 4 cups or 3 cups? Well, each cup has more than one, so I'm going to separate them out. So it's going to be a lot of poppies. And then with the last 2 cups, I put it in the one section for my paternal grandfather, because that's the green, white, and pink section over there. Okay, actually, let me just go around this way first. Okay, so in the pink section, I'm sure you can see the cups. Those are the frosted salmon poppies. And so I was going to try to spread them out between both pink because I thought I didn't have any of the Chima family heirloom. Well, guess what? They did sprout. So I guess I misread the tag. So I actually have 1, 2, 3 cups of this. And there's more than one in each cup, so that should look really pretty. Now, in the red section, I only have poppies in one section because the other one I had 2 cups, so I put them in the other section for my grandfather. So this is the scarlet poppy peony. So there's more than one in each cup. I'll see, because depending upon how many are in there, maybe I can spread them out to this red section. But if not, it's okay. The other red cups, oh, actually, you know what? I'm still continuing this way. Let me not jump around. Okay, so then over here, I have the orange section, and I did some, what are they called? I did poppies, but these are perennial version. So I have tiny ones, but I have a feeling once I put them in the ground, they're going to take off. So they're there throughout that section, and I'll just monitor them over this year. In the yellow section, now see the yellow poppies were kind of big, so I've got 2 right there in this yellow section and 2 more in this section. Now, in these middle gardens, I don't care if they're not filled with poppies, so I just put 2 of the blue beauty ones over there. Those lavender cups that are in there over there, that is mother of pearl poppy. Okay. Right here, these are the amazing gray poppies. I gotta clean out that section. That's looking like a jungle in there. So those will go in there. I don't have any in this green section. So that kind of sucks. It's a bummer. Yeah. So I put some mother of pearl here and over there. So since the mother of pearl have so many, maybe what I'll do is I'll take one of these cups and I'll split them and put some and put some here. I mean, there's a lot of stuff in this green section, so we'll see. In this green section, I did the cream peony poppy. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 cups in there. Okay, and this first purple section over here, I have some, I think this is the beauty, something black beauty peony. That's what it is, black beauty peony. So I had 5 cups over there. Oh, and look guys, look, the alliums are blooming. Isn't that cute? And those are the phlox. And there is the pooch. And then over here, I had Lauren's Grape Magic, so I put those over there. And you know something, guys? I feel like I'm missing a set of poppies. And you know what? I do have Candy Floss poppy, so I'll put that somewhere. Maybe what I'll do is I'll put the Candy Floss right there, and then I'll take these mother of pearl and put them in the other green section, because that's the green with pink accents, and the mother of pearl has a lot of pink in it. So I'm gonna go find my auger and get into it. So actually, you know what, let me see how the Candy Floss poppies peony poppies, woo, that's a tongue twister, are doing. And guys, if this is bouncing up and down, I do apologize. I'm not using my phone, which has better stabilization. Okay, so here is the candy floss poppy right here. So I didn't get really good germination on these. So I have 2 cups and, ooh, I thought I had 3 cups. One right there. It's not, oh, actually 4. So I've got 4 cups. They're not looking that great, but I think once I put them in the ground, they'll kind of, I'll put them in a clump, so we shall see. But, you know, it is what it is. Some years you do good, some years you don't do so good. So let me go inside and get the drill. Hey guys, it's Brooke from the Vintage Gardener. Welcome back to my channel. So tonight I'm going to be doing a little bit of a project. It's Friday the 13th. Kind of weird. I'm not going to do any planting tonight. I'm just going to be doing setup. So Jen from Forever Blooms with Jennifer is going to come over tomorrow and help me do some planting. So I got a second drill, I got a second auger, and I thought the way to make this most efficient is to put all the plants in their little containers where they actually need to be planted. So that way we're not trying to figure out how we're going to arrange it. We can just kind of walk out and bing, bada boom, just, you know, drill a hole and put everything in its place. So let me turn it around and show what I'm gonna be putting into place tonight. Okay guys, so this is the parterre garden, and I hope you guys can actually hear me. Okay, there's cars driving by. So tonight I'm going to try to deal with all of these winter sowing cups and put them in place in either the beds over here or in the middle garden sections, like right here, just pretty much all the way around. I'm also gonna start pulling these little containers out and putting them where they need to go over here, and also even into the promenade beds over there. And of course, you know, I'll be planting stuff in the memorial garden. So I think that'll make everything really efficient, and hopefully we can get a lot done tomorrow. So this is the pink section that I'm totally loving. This is my favorite section. It is just so full and lush, and I absolutely love the way this looks. So I'm sure you guys have seen so many camera shots of this on Instagram, and you guys will probably be seeing more, especially once the peony's starting to bloom. I gotta stake that stuff up. It rained, so just weighed everything down. But yeah, so I'm gonna set up my other camera and do a time lapse on that. So see you guys in a bit.